out to visit this spot.
So this is how they serve it here, through the mouth. That's nice about it.
Wow. Wow, man. Classic. You already know. Classic milk tea. We're gonna try this now. Try it right now. We're gonna try this now. Now, we're gonna try this bubble tea. This bubble tea. Get the sound. You already know. Let's go.
You know, one thing that makes New York City unique, again, is this, you know, the halal cart. And everywhere. Like, imagine New York City without halal. And now, like, you are seeing now too a lot of taco spots, taco trucks. 32nd Street. Whoa. So you already know we just arrived to the spot. Cole, Biao Sugar. Yeah, Biao. You know. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna try the classic milk tea. I heard you. Hey, let me get the classic milk tea. So this is how they serve it here, through the mouth. That's nice about it. Hot. Wow.
So I just got my milk tea now. Classic, you know, classic milk tea. We're gonna try this now. This is mainly black tea and milk with some bubbles in the bottom here, right?
You got the straw and then you put it inside. Alright, that's it. Boom. Can I hear the click? Let's see, maybe I can still shake it now, even though I put a straw. Okay. Wow.
Very typical flavor. No? Like, I wish I can taste some more black tea, but it's good. I just destroyed this bubble tea. Wow. Wow. So one thing you're gonna see in your city for sure is, you know, the bubble tea spot. You're gonna find it all over the place. You know, very uniquely. Something that you're not gonna miss. You already know. You already know. You already know. Not forget to subscribe and click the like button